All right, let's talk about something we all deal with. You know those endless pages of terms and conditions? That massive wall of legal text you're supposed to read before you can do, well, pretty much anything online. But be honest, who actually reads all that?
Yeah, I'm talking about that little checkbox. I have read and agree. It's been called the biggest lie on the internet for a reason, right? We've all told it. We just scroll to the bottom, we click, and we kind of just hope for the best.
But what are we actually agreeing to? Are we giving these companies the green light to sell our personal data to anyone and everyone? Or maybe we're accidentally signing away the rights to our own stuff. You know, the photos we post, the content we create. It's this huge, nagging question mark, isn't it? What are you really signing away when you click that button? The scary part is, most of us have absolutely no idea. And let's be real, that confusion is intentional. These documents are literally designed to be so complex that you give up. But what if you could finally see through the fog? What if you could actually fight back?
Well, guess what? Now you can. Meet your new secret weapon for the internet, the Terms and Policies Summarizer. It's a tool built for one purpose, to solve this exact problem for all of us.
So, what is this thing? Simple. It's a super smart AI-powered extension for your Chrome browser. It's been engineered from the ground up to sniff out those super dense legal pages. Yeah, the privacy policies and terms of service, and make sense of them.
And this is the magic part, you guys. It doesn't just make it shorter. It's not just a summary. It's a translator. It takes all that confusing legalese and turns it into plain, simple English that you can actually understand.
Okay, sounds pretty cool, right? But how does it actually work? Well, the real power here is just how incredibly simple it is to use.
It's literally this easy. First, you sign in. Then, whenever you land on one of those long policy pages, you just click the extension button. That's it. From there, you can even ask it specific questions using the chat, and everything you summarize is saved in your history. It's that simple.
And the speed is just, wow. We're talking about taking thousands upon thousands of words of dense legal text and boiling it down to the key things you need to know. And it does it all in just a few seconds.
But wait, it gets even better. This thing goes way beyond just a static summary. There's this interactive feature they call lawyer mode, and honestly, it is a total game changer.
This is where you get to ask the tough questions directly. So for instance, you can just type in that big one we all worry about: does this app sell my data to third parties?
And here's what's so great. The AI doesn't guess. It dives into the document you're looking at and pulls the answer straight from the text, pointing you right to the part that matters. No guesswork, just facts.
Or how about this critical one? How can I delete my account and my data? Instead of digging through a dozen help pages, you just ask. The AI finds the exact instructions for you. It's incredible.
And on top of all that, you get those one-click summaries, the amazing Q&A chat, a secure cloud history so you always have a record. And get this, it's not just for legal docs. You can use it to summarize any long article you find online.
So why is a tool like this so important, especially right now? Look, this is about so much more than convenience. This is about reclaiming your digital rights in a world where, let's face it, our data is the product.
I mean, the transformation is just night and day. Before, you're the passive clicker. You're scrolling blindly, you're totally unaware of your rights, and you're just hoping. But after, you become an informed consumer. You understand the deal in seconds, you know your rights, and you can actually protect your privacy.
At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. It's about taking that feeling of confusion and being powerless and turning it into clarity, confidence, and real empowerment online.
So the takeaway here is simple, but it is so powerful. It's time for us to stop blindly clicking I agree. It's time to start understanding. The only real question left is, are you ready to take back control?